Hi everyone, today I thought I would share what I was working on. I'm working on some prayer pockets, and of course I have the digitals in the Etsy shop, but you don't have to have a digital to create a prayer pocket. There are several different ones that they're just really easy to fold. It's a template already, and you just cut it out and fold the tabs down and glue it together, and that's basically all. Since the template is all there ready for you to just cut and use. And I do want to thank Stephanie Hartford for giving me some things for the ministry, donating some items that I absolutely love, and thank her so much for. We also did a barter, and then also we did a barter, a swap, actually in the Junk Journal Barter D-Stash group, and this came from Dana, and I absolutely thank you for the little box. It's amazing what she sent. I've been using things for the ministry out of here, and hers, I done shipped hers to her, so I hope she likes the things that I sent her. You never know when you do a little box, a mini box like this. You never know. It's the fun part about getting things, and she done more than she's done an amazing job, and I really want to thank her for everything that she included, because I can put these back into the prayer pocket, so I want to thank her for that. So I'm just basically creating, and you can just watch. I'm going to fast forward and play music, and you can just watch and see how that I create my prayer pockets using the printables from, of course, the shop. I hope you enjoyed that little short, just craft with me little video. And there's a scripture card in there and some journaling cards. And then I will put one of my one of these explanations about what a prayer pocket is in there as well. Let's see. And I want to show you how that I package them. I take time cards and put in there we go.